Hi there, and welcome to Linux Tutorials, the YouTube channel with video on how-tos for every Linux user. And today we'll convert Unicode characters to Smiley using Linux terminal application Node. So let's go. First command we will have to run is terminal is sudo apt install NodeJs. This command installs NodeJs command line interface. As soon as it finishes the installation process, run command node. It will open Node.js interpreter. When you will see Node.js prompt, input the following double quote, \u, open curly bracket, 1f995, close curly bracket, and double quote. Press the enter. It will display the dinosaur emoji in terminal. It does the magic. You could display any Unicode smiley by their codes in the same way. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe here, comment and like and share this video. See you in the next Linux tutorial. Bye bye.